Hello, my name is Angelica Hernandez, and this is for the Cross-Culture Management class with Professor Wilson Davis based off the Disney and Pixar merger and acquisition. Again, I'd like to welcome everybody to the Disney and Pixar family, and I'd like to discuss kind of why these two companies came together, our future, and what does it look like. The opportunity for growth of the companies in both revenue, sales, workforce, bringing together talent. Another is the continued enhancement in technology for entertainment, also providing a branding equality for both Disney and Pixar. Even though we were combined, Disney bought Pixar, they each kept their individuality. Another interesting fact is we've been collaborating since the 1990s, and now it's just been formalized as being part of one another, creating a sense of synergy. So what's next? It's understanding our family. Understand our workforce. What does our departments look like? What are the levels? What are the locations? Understanding that we have a creative culture, the collaboration, the communication. It's two big companies, but one big idea. So it comes down to discussing the 5 practices of exemplary leadership